డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన 1988 డౌన్లోడ్ చేయలేదు ఇదే కూడా మళ్ళీ డౌన్లోడ్ కానట్టుంది ఇంగ్లీషేనా మరి ఎవరు రాలేదు స్లో నెట్ హాట్స్పాట్ ఆఫ్ చేసిన మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ పడ్డది Okay, good evening, children. Good evening. Today we are going to discuss. Some children are calling to Sal. No need to call.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How was you read today?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. How many hours you read today? Answer everyone, one by one.
Sir, 1 hour.
1 hour. Very good. Improve. Daily improve. It takes for 2 hours.
Sir, I am also 1 hour.
Very good. Have you improved? Have you seen any changes in understanding skills and reading skills? Speed reading. These all.
Yes,
things.
sir.
Sir, I was reading fastly.
Very good. Good. That's great. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today we have to discuss. We are still in 1989, no?
Yeah.
1989. Okay.
Yes.
Madhulika, are you joined? Madhulika. Have you sent those answers to sir?
Yes, sir.
Answers, sir. Today's which paper you have done today?
$19.90.
1990. How many of you sent to sir?
Sir, I am. Sir, I am also.
Okay. I'm asking one question. Okay, now I will share the screen. Get ready to answer. I will ask parts of speech also today. You should not miss this thing today. Days are going ahead. How many of you seen all the parts of speech videos? Show your thumb. Show your thumb if you read parts of speech videos. If you seen and understood. Okay, you may go ahead. I have connected my hotspot. Okay, right. How many of you is seen parts of speech videos and you are perfect means show your thumb. You are 110% perfect means show your thumb. In parts of speech, you must have been seen, I think, parts of speech videos. Okay. I will share screen. Next, we are reading passage number 2. We are still in the passage number 2 now. After long gap, invented. In this, I will give chance to. Okay, next I will check who is improved not. Sri Harshavardhan. Wait, I will unmute everyone first of all. Sai Harshavardhan. Sri Harshavardhan. The person named with Sri Harshavardhan. You put on your
Good evening,
video.
sir.
Good evening. You on your video and keep your mobile horizontally. Keep your mobile horizontally. Yes, okay. Where is Sri Harshavardhan? Right, okay. So, are you ready to read this passage?
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
After a long time, a man
Wait a
invented
minute,
such
wait a minute. So, remaining children, you also go on reading along with him, or you can read in your speed. Okay, you go on reading. I will see. I will move into questions and answers directly. Okay, Sri Harsha, you start reading. Okay.
After a long time, man invented such a thing which changed the modes of
Transportation in the world.
transportation.
Okay, very good. Go ahead.
Was wheel. We see this wheel beginning fixed to a bullock cart, bicycle, bus to the railway train. Today, people consider it as an ordinary
Consider.
thing
Do you know
that
consider means? Do you know what is meant by consider? Consider it as ordinary thing means people see it as, people feel it as. The today people consider it as an ordinary thing. Okay, go ahead.
ordinary thing that and did not consider it as a great invention. But a man took so much of time to make and understand its full.
Usefulness. Do you know usefulness?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good.
In
You are a useful person for your parents. Okay, right. Go ahead.
olden days, people and animals were you animals were used to carry head loads.
Okay.
You can imagine how difficult it was though in those days. Then somebody must have seen a round article which had a more speed than a square article. If first train must have been equal to the
Width, length and width.
width of a lathi stick,
Lati.
for which lathi stick, which two round pieces of wood must have fitted today. If we remove the wheel from your lives,
Our
the
lives. Our lives.
the civilization would stop at once.
Civilization would stop at once. Okay. Okay, you read well, but you need to improve speed and okay, you are somewhat improved in speeding also, but you have to improve and you have to read in an understandable manner and you have to give space between sentences and you must go ahead speedily. Okay, I'll go through this first question. After the invention of wheel, man had not to carry loads. Man had to use lesser power to carry loads. Man had fast running from beginning. Man stopped using animals to carry loads. First of all, I will ask parts of speech in this sentences. Today, people consider it as an ordinary thing. I will ask one question. Is Usefulness. What is the parts of speech of usefulness? Anyone in the class? Raise your hands if you are ready. I think many of you won't try. That's why I given charge to you only. Usefulness. Who can tell? Show your thumb and tell. I am seeing you. Usefulness. What is the parts of speech of usefulness? What is the parts of speech of business? Business. Business. It's also name used for industry people, industry leaders, industry things, business. Bonus, you are trying to tell something or tell. What's the okay? No problem. If it's wrong, also no problem. You tell what is the parts of speech of business. Anyone in the class? I am unmuting anyone. Everyone.
Business.
Business, heaviness, goodness. These all are comes under nouns. Okay, you watch the videos of these teachers in the YouTube channel. Sir will send again. Okay, I think you are still have to learn. Okay, you have to improve still. Okay. So ness, last ness will also come, means it will become nouns. Almost many of the words ending with ness also, ness, business, goodness. Okay, in this what they are mentioning actually, business. See here, usefulness means usefulness. Understood? Useful. It will be useful for everyone. Understand its usefulness. Okay, I will search it also. You can find this the exact pictures. Usefulness. Now, the quality or fact of being useful. The quality or fact of being useful. The quality. Okay. If you call useful means what will happen? See, it will changes then. Adjective. Understood? Able to be used for practical purpose or in several ways. So with the ness and with those all things, it will changes a lot. Okay, that's why you correctly plan it. Useful, useful things, useful tips, useful one. Usefulness. Useful. Okay. Okay. There's no need of that much deep into parts of speech. They won't ask, I think, but you learn. Learning is most important. No? That's why you learn. Okay. Next. Okay, no, today also no parts of speech. After the invention of wheel, man had not to carry loads. Man had to use lesser power to carry loads. Man had a fast running from beginning. Man stopped fast running from the man stopped using animals to carry loads. What's the answer? Okay, I will go through the passage with the invention of wheels. The sentence with the invention of wheels. Okay, where is the sentence with invention of wheels? In which line? After long gap, invented a thing, changed the mode of transformation in the world. This was wheel. We see this wheel being fixed to bullock cart, bicycle, bus, and railway trains. Today, people consider it as an ordinary thing and did not consider it a great invention. But man took so much invention of wheel. Man took so much time to make understand its usefulness. Where he has invented this here. This was wheel. After long of man invented such a thing which changed the modes of transformation in the world. This was wheel. We see this wheel being fixed to bullock cart, bicycles, bus, and the railway trains. Today, people consider it as ordinary thing and did not consider it a great invention. But man took so much of time to understand its usefulness. In olden days, people and animals were used to carry head loads. You can imagine how difficult it was in those days. Then it was in those days. then somebody must have seen a round article which had more speed than a square article. The first train must have been equal to width of lattice stick for which two round pieces of wood must have fitted. Today, if we remove the wheel from our lives, the civilization would stop at once. So, after invention of wheel, man had not to carry loads. Man had to use lesser power to carry loads. Man had a faster running from the beginning. Man stopped using animals to carry loads. What was the answer? I am unmuting everyone. You may try. Okay, go ahead. Tell me the answer. You will...
option 4.
Sir,
option 2.
Sir, option 4.
Option 2.
Option 2.
Sir, 2.
Option 2. Sir, option.
Sir, option 2.
Sir, option 4.
Option
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 4.
Man had to use lesser power to carry loads. Okay, man stopped using animals to carry loads.
Sir, option 4, sir.
Who told
Four.
Option 4, raise your hands. Option 4, raise your hands. Option 4, raise your hands. Okay. Why option 4? Tell me the reason. Tell me the reason why option 4. Man stopped using animals to carry loads.
Sir, because provided modes. After
After the invention of wheel, man stopped using animals to carry loads. Who told that one?
Sarai, Priyashavardhan.
Tell me the reason. Fastly. Tell me the reason.
Sir, animals.
See, in this passage, we will go through this passage. We see this wheel being fixed to bullock cart, bicycles, buses, and railway station. What is this bullock cart? Bullock cart also this vehicle.
Animal.
It's also a transportation mode using bullock cart. So, we see this wheel being fixed. So who told the answer 4? Are you obeying? Means are you what we'll call? Are you believing 4th option is wrong or right? What you are believing?
Right.
Are you obeying? 4th option is correct. Still 4th option is correct. You can show your thumb. Who are telling 4th option is absolutely correct? You can show your thumb. I am confusing you, but you should not confuse. 4th option is correct. Show your thumb. Who are obeying 4th option is absolutely correct. Simon, what's your opinion? 4th or 2nd? Simon with.
2.
Okay, very good. Komal, you.
Sir, 4.
Okay, wait. I will show you the reason. See here. After invention of wheel, they have asked. Wait. After invention of wheel, they have asked. After a long time, listen. After a long time, man invented such a thing which changed the modes of transformation. What is that in the world? This was wheel. We see this wheel being fixed to bullock cart. Wheel fixed to bullock cart. They are using wheel to bullock cart also. Bullock cart, bicycle, bus, and to railway station. So this bullock cart, this one word will show that wheel is still using to animals. Man stopped using animals to carry loads. Absolutely wrong answer. He told loads, not heavy loads. Heavy loads means we can tell like this. In olden days, peoples and animals were used to carry heavy loads. Okay, but in this also not there. In this also they are not showing. Heavy loads were stopped using by animals. So see, absolutely 4th option is absolutely wrong. Who told 2nd option? Okay, you can feel proud of yourself. Okay, keep it up and down. Okay, still are you obeying 4th option is correct? Still are you obeying 4th option is correct? You can show me your thumb. Who are?
Sir, option 2 correct.
Option 2 or 4? Tell me the answer finally.
Sir, 2.
2 is the absolutely correct answer. 4, why not? Because they are mentioned in this passage. we see the wheel being fixed. So you have to understand the passage deeply. That's the main reason you are missing in this. Option 2 is absolutely correct answer, because we see this wheel being fixed to bullock cart. Fixed wheel, this wheel being fixed to a bullock cart. In the bullock cart, already you have seen, you go to out of the box also, you can experience. They are using bullock cart. Still they are using bullock cart. Understood? For bullock cart, what they are using? They are using wheel only now. Okay, next question. Today, the invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. What's the reason? What are the options? The usage of wheel started very recently. It was invented very long time ago. Now its usage has become common thing. Every vehicle has a wheel in it. Today, the invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. What is the reason? The usage of wheel started very recently. It was invented very long time ago. Now its usage has become a common thing. Every vehicle has a wheel in it. So we have to pick the sentence. Invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. Here I have seen. I have remembered that where I have seen. So where it was. After longer man invented change of modes and this wheel. We have seen wheel being bullock carts bicycle. Today people consider it as an ordinary thing and did not consider it as great invention. What that we see this wheel being fixed to, already we have known what is that great invention. Wheel, they have mentioned that wheel. Okay, we see this wheel being fixed to bullock cart, bicycle, bus and to the railway trains. Today people consider it as an ordinary thing and did not consider it as a great invention, but man took so much of time to make and understand its usefulness. Okay, what they have given in the options. Today, the invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. The usage of wheel started very recently. It's wrong answer. Usage of wheel started long ago, but man took so much time to make and understand its usefulness. Man took so much time now. Okay. This okay. Next, it was invented very long time ago. Okay, we can fix in this. We can go through more options. Now its usage has become a common thing. Every vehicle has a wheel in it. Today, the invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. Why? The usage of wheel started recently. Recently means before this. It was invented very long time ago. Now its usage has become a common thing. Every vehicle has a wheel in it. So I will go through this only. Today people consider it as an ordinary thing and did not consider it as a great invention. But man took so much of time to make and understand its usefulness. Okay. After I have read that deep passage only, I have understood. I have make you to understand that answered passage. Okay, I'm unmuting everyone. So now tell me the answer. What's the answer? Today the
Option 3, option 4. 3. 3, sir. Option 3. Option 4.
what's the answer? Just one. Just one. Tell me the answer.
Option 3.
Option three. Now its usage has become common.
Sir, option 3. Sir, option 3. Option 3. Option 3. Option 3.
Write it, write it.
Option 3. Option 3. Sir,
Next, option 3. Bonus 3. What's your answer? Bonus 3.
option 3.
You are not telling clarifyly. You are just doubting the answer. Okay, just one. What's your answer?
Sir, option 3, sir.
Simon with what's your answer? Okay, why not 2? Why not 2? It was invented very long time ago. Why not 2? First, they are asking that today the invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. In this passage, they have given that today people consider it as an ordinary thing and did not consider it as a great invention. But man took so much of time to make and understand its usefulness. So here they have given so much of time to make and understand its usefulness. So now its usage has become common thing. It was invented very long time ago. The usage of wheel started very recently. Every vehicle has a wheel.
Sir,
So
option 2 and 3.
option 2 and 3 will come. In 2 and 3 we have to pick. Okay, 3 also will come. Okay, you told 3 means okay, it's good. Now its usage has become a common thing. But in this they have given, you have to go through the passage. Are they given the usage? Now this usage has become common thing. I will see. Today people consider, after a long time man invented such a thing which changed the mode of transformation in the world. This was wheel. We see this wheel being fixed to bullock carts, bicycles, bus and railway train. Today people consider it as an ordinary thing. Today people consider it as an ordinary thing and did not consider it as great invention. But man took so much.
Option 3.
But man took so much of time to make and understand its usefulness. Till this only its answer. In olden days, people and animals were used to carry head loads. Yes, you can imagine how difficult it's those days. Somebody must have seen a round article which had more speed than the square article. Okay. Now I am again going through this question. Today, the invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. The usage of wheel started very recently. It was invented very long time ago. Now its usage has become common thing. Its usage become common thing. I have seen this that today consider people ordinary thing and did not consider it's okay. Very good. Option 3 also will come. 2 also will come. It was today invention of wheel does not look as a great invention. Okay, I'll go through great invention. We feel that today people consider as an ordinary thing and did not consider it as great invention. Okay. I will give first priority to. Okay, who told this answer? 3. Good. First priority, what's the answer? Option 3 or 2? 3 or 2?
Sir, option 3. Option 3, sir.
Very good.
Sir,
Option
option
3
three.
is the absolutely correct answer. Very good.
Sir,
Yes, I am
option
unmuting
3.
everyone. Yes, unmuting everyone. Very good, children. You are excellent children. You are improving a lot day by day. You are understanding and picking the answers, selecting the answers from the passage. These all skills. These all are improving a lot for you. Okay, next. How did man came to know about the wheel? By drawing a square piece of wood, watching the animals carrying loads, by drawing a train without a wheel, by seeing a round thing roll on the ground. How did man came to know about the wheel? After long gap time invented such thing. I will go through that passage only. The first train must have been equal to width of lattice from which round pieces would must have fitted. Today, if we remove the wheel from our lives, the civilization would stop at once. Okay, after long time, man invented such thing which changed the modes of transformation in the world. This was wheel. We see this wheel being fixed to bullock cart, bicycle, bus, and railway trains. Today, people consider it as an ordinary thing and did not consider its great invention. But man took so much time to make and understand its usefulness. In olden days, people and animals were used to carry head loads. You can imagine how difficult it was in those days. Then somebody must have been seen a round articles which had more speed than a square article. Okay, I will answer. I will ask anyone. How did man came to know about the wheel? By drawing a square piece of wood, watching the animal carrying loads, by drawing a train without wheels, by seeing round thing roll on the ground. What's the answer? Everyone in the class, try yourself. What's the answer? How did man came to know about the wheel? By drawing train without wheels, watching the animals carrying loads, by drawing square piece of wood,
Option
by
4.
seeing round things roll on the ground.
Option 4, sir. Option 4.
What he has given there? I have given.
Option 4,
In
sir.
this sentence, absolute answer is there.
Option 4, sir. 4.
Then somebody must have seen a
Option four.
round article which
Option
had
4.
more speed than a square article. The first train must have been equal to width of a stick latte, 2 rounded piece of wood must have fitted. Okay. What's the answer? Your opinion is by seeing a round thing
4.
on the ground.
Sir, option 4. Option 4, sir. Sir, option 4. Option 4, sir. Option 4. Option 4.
By seeing round thing.
Option 4. Sir, option 4. Seeing a round
Round
thing.
article which had more speed than. Yes, in this sentence only absolutely correct answer is there. Yes, very good. Good children, you have great understanding power. Okay. Next question. In the wheel is removed. If the wheel is removed from our lives, then man would not have made any motion. We would have no work. The modern civilization would come to an end. Life would have been in danger. What's the answer? Directly you have to tell. Man would not have made any motion.
Option 2. Come to an
He
end.
would have no work to do. How?
Sir,
We have
option
work,
3.
agriculture.
Sir, option 3.
I'm saying who is telling option 3?
Sir, option 3.
How modern civilization? First of all, yes, very good, Madhulika. Okay, no problem. Let's revise again. Wheels. With wheels, what happened? First bullock carts, then cars, then lorries, then machines. Every machine is connected to this circular circle. This will be there like a setting. Have you seen settings app in your mobile?
Option 1.
Same that like only all one setting are connected. Machines are run with the circles only. That chains. Every machine work with that circle only, that rounded particles only. Okay, you can see lot rounded things. Rounded. You can see wall clock. It will also move round. How? It is connected to circular one. Then only it is able to move. If we keep box type of one in the wall clock between, means middle of wall clock, how it will move? It won't move. Okay. Every moving is related to circle type, wheel type one. Okay. Wheel has made lot of things. Yeah. Okay. You can study these all things while reading passage. You have to explore and you can search in Google also. Okay. What's the answer last at the end of this? The modern civilization would
Option
come to-
1. Option 3.
Okay, you don't go out of the box. You can see here only. Today, if we remove
Sir,
the wheel
option
from our
1.
lives, civilization would stop. Today, if we remove the wheel from our lives, civilization would stop at once. Okay. What telling why option 1? Man would not have made any motion. Any motion means we can move. If you move from one place to another, it's also motion. Okay. He can do motion without wheel. Understood? At that time they have made na. See here they have done motion. See here in this passage they have given. In olden days, people and animals were used to carry head loads. Okay. Option 3 is the absolutely correct answer. Next, in olden days, who were used to draw loads?
Option 3.
Huh?
Sir,
90th.
Sir, 3. Men
and children. In olden days, who were used to draw loads? Here answer they are given.
Men and animals. Men and women.
In olden days, people and animals were used to carry heavy loads. There is people, as they mentioned. Men and women, men and animals, women and animals. Oh, it's typical. In olden days, who were used to draw
Option
loads?
1.
In olden days, people and animals
Sir,
were used
option
to
1.
carry heavy loads.
Sir, option 1. Sir, 1.
How you may tell? Men and animals. Yes, why not? They have mentioned people. People means what? Anyone in the class? Tell me, people means what? People. People means men, women, children, everyone will come under people only. So that's why this also, I think this question they have in the option they might have given people. So that's why All of the above, actually. All of the above. Okay. In olden days, who were used to draw loads? Draw loads. You can only see here. In olden days, people and animals were used to carry heavy loads. Is there any option of draw loads? Wait, I will see draw loads. Round articles. The first train equals. Okay. Why one? Someone are telling first answer. Why? Okay. Answer is all of the above. Okay.
Sir, option
Okay, chill.
Sir, but not all. Sir, not there, no, sir.
Dude, option all of the above are people and
Animals.
animals. Okay, very good. Okay, right. Okay, today we have ended this. How many of you completed this 1980 today 1990 question paper given, na, sir? How many of you completed 1990 question paper? Show your thumb
1990.
and send it to sir. You must send it to sir. How many have you sat 11:30 to 1:30 without giving break to yourself, without moving or without getting up, sitting seriously at one place from 11:30 to 1:30? How many of you solved the question paper or previous question paper? Also you can do from your book. Also you can select how many. If you want to question paper also, no problem, but you have to sit and study seriously. Sit and do the problems, read the passages seriously from 11:30 to 1:30 because it's your exam time. It makes you seriousness. It makes you to concentrate only on the question paper, only on the questions, while others are disturbing. If you go and write in the right exam, you are surrounded by many people, nearly 20 people in your class. Okay. If they are watching, if they won't get answer, they used to watch you. They used to watch you also. They will call you also, or they used to see around. Okay. At that time, you will focus only on the exam. Understood? That's the primary thing you have to learn. Okay. From 11:30 to, so tomorrow also from daily up to exam you have to implement. Okay. From 11:30 to 1:30, no disturbance. Only focus on the studying seriously. Understood? Only focus on studies from 11:30 to 1:30, 2 hours without any break. No breaks, no snacks. You can take snacks, everything before 11:30, before 11:15. Okay. Sit and study at least for 2 hours. Means it's you are not studying 2 hours. Means how you can improve in your life. Understood? Okay, right. Very good. I'm leaving the meeting. Right. Good. Goodbye.
Sir, again join, huh? Again
No
join.
need to join. Yes, completed. No need to join again. Have you completed 1990 questions? Simon with.
Sir.
You didn't. Sorry, is telling that you didn't send maths and English. Okay, everyone in the
Yes,
class.
sir, only math.
Okay, send. Everyone in the class. Bonusri, you sent all the answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
very good.
doubt.
Send once again. Are you searching wrong going ones? You must focus on the wrong going ones. If you get 60 marks also, those 40 marks you have to analyze. Understood? You have to check. Okay, right. Okay, I'm ending the meeting.